Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of the stuff that I found to sell on my Poshmark closet. Most of the stuff that I found them at the buy sell trade store. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the accessories and the shoes first before I show you guys the clothes. So the first thing that I picked up was these Birkenstock waterproof sandals. They are black. These are size 40. Then I found another Birkenstock. These are metallic pink, and these are size 36. So I think they'll be US size 5.5 or size 6. They're like barely worn on the bottom too. And the last shoe that I found for today, these are the white aqua Birkenstock metallic. These are size 40. These are such a great find. I love finding Birkenstocks. And then the handbag that I found, this is a Madewell leather crossbody toe. It's way in the middle, and I really love this quality. It looks super clean on the inside. It looks like really like new without tag, and it has like adjustable strap. That was a great find for like fall. And then I found another one. This is a brown leather Madewell crossbody toe. This is a size small, and the inside looks very new and clean. And it also has adjustable strap. And then I found a Madewell crossbody. I mean, not crossbody. This Madewell belt bag. And it has like adjustable. This one is a size large. It has a zipper. It has a lot of room for like coins, wallet, makeup, anything. And this one's actually a size extra large. And this is the last Madewell that I found today. This is a Madewell size medium crossbody bag. I absolutely love this one. This one's really cute. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the accessories. So these are the 3 Ray-Bans that I found. So these first one are like red radiant mirror Ray-Ban sunglasses. They're super nice. That's how they look like on. I'm not sure if you guys can see the color on it. Yeah. I was thinking about keeping these, but I really like the black ones, so I'm gonna keep these black ones instead and sell those on my Poshmark closet. Oh no, wait, these are not my black ones. I probably have them in my car. So these are brown Ray-Bans. These are a little too small for me. So yeah, this one will definitely be on my Poshmark closet. Comes with the case. And then these are the purple Ray-Ban mirror. These are super nice. And it comes with the case and the brand new little washcloth. So the last thing I found, I was freaking out when I found these. I was like, oh my gosh, I've been looking for a hairdryer like this for myself. I found 2 of these at Goodwill for $9.99 each. For those of you guys who don't believe me, I'll add a little clip right here to show you guys that I found these. These hair dryers are like professional. They retail for like $200. I'm not sure, but yeah, they both work. So I'm definitely keeping one for myself, and the other one I'm gonna be listing it in my closet. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the clothes that I got. Found with this red velvet dress with a split on the bottom, and this is a Reformation size large. I found this at Nordstrom Rack. And then I found this one at Nordstrom Rack too. This is a Gummy Glam size 2, and it has like buttons on the side, and it's actually a jumpsuit with wide legs in the bottom. And these has pockets on the side, which is really nice. And then this is the Show Me Your Moo-Moo. This is the Show Me Your Moo-Moo size large. I think it's lilacs or lavender. Long dress gown. And I found this dress population size medium, brand new with the tag. And this one has a split on the side leg, which I really like. Okay, So the next thing that I found was this Madewell button-down pink dress, and it has some pockets on the side, and it also has this really cute back bow cut out in the back. And I believe these are Madewell size 0. And this is one of my favorite finds. Last year, these were like super popular. This is something navy size small, blue coat that has pockets, like a teddy bear. These were really popular. They were like blogger favorite, but I'm not sure if they're gonna be popular this year, but I just want to go ahead and pick it up. So then this is a Reformation jean red dress. It also has pockets. I believe the name of this dress is called Lulu or Lou. And then I found this dress at a buy sell trade store or a consignment thrift store. This is a Reformation wrap dress, and you can tie it, and it's a size small. And then this one, I never heard of this brand, Frank and Elia, but I actually found this at the Goodwill. It's made in Italy, and it's buttoned down. And then these are the other stuff that I found at buy sell trade store. So this is a Madewell size 2 jumpsuit, black jumpsuit, and this one has pockets on the side too as well. This one's one of my favorite. This is another jumpsuit, black. I feel like jumpsuits are really trendy right now because I've been seeing them everywhere, and this one has a knot on the top of the spade strap, so it's really adjustable. And it's Reformation. This thing was focus. So it's Reformation size small. And this is a Bardo size, US size 4. And it has lace on the top with some bell sleeve. And it's a mini dress or a mid-length dress. And the rest are, these are jeans. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys off the hanger so they can look better, so you guys can get a better idea how they look like. So I found these black jeans at the consignment thrift store. These are some black mother jeans. They are kind of like straight leg ankle crocs. These are size 31. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the label. I'm not sure if you guys can see the label. So the next thing that I found are these Vint size 2 wide leg jeans. I'm not sure if you guys can see them. They're wide leg. They're like kind of like a paper material vibe that they were going for. These has pockets and a little back pocket like that too. This is how the label looks like. These are one of my favorite finds. These are frame denim. They have braid on the side, and also these are like super wide leg, like elephant kind of pants. These are super trendy right now. That's the reason why I picked them up. These are size 26. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the label. So the next thing that I found are these girlfriend jeans. This is the first time I find girlfriend jeans. These are actually like brand new with the tag. These are size 26. They have fly hem from the bottom, which is also very trendy. And they have button flies. I love jeans with button flies. And this is a size 26. This is how the tags look like. These ones I found them at the consignment thrift store. Usually they're always like really expensive, but I found them for a pretty good price, so I decided to pick these up. So the next thing thing that I found are these rag and bone size 4 pants. I think these are straight leg. They have no pockets. Yeah, no pockets. And it has like a stretchy elastic band on the inside. And here's the label, rag and bone. So I found these jeans at the Nordstrom rack. These are size 26 Madewell. They're sparkly gold champagne. They're like white leg. I think these are super trendy, so I decided to pick these up. And these, here's the label. So this denim skirt, I found them at the consignment store. I was super excited when I found these because I was like, oh my gosh, I've been wanting to look for a skirt like this, my size. Unfortunately, these are one size bigger than mine, and these are girlfriend. Metallic on one side, like leather, and then denim, and then these are also butterflies. And this skirt actually retails for like $400, so such a nice find. And here's the label. So the rest of the jeans that I found, these are all found them at the Nordstrom rack. So let's go ahead and show you guys this one. This is like a peachy pink corduroy pants from the Great. I never heard of this brand before, but I was searching up content and it has a pretty good retail value. This was a size 28. And these are straight leg. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the label. These jeans are Reformation. They're super nice and they're stretched on the side. I think these are like skinny legs, high-waisted. Yeah, these are high-waisted cigarette jean wash Arcus. These are size 29. And they're good for flying. They have a little bit of distressing on the pocket. And this is how the label looks like. And then these are the next jeans that I found. I actually thought these were really cool and really nice. And these are frame denim from Los Angeles, size 24. These are wide leg, now they're straight leg, and then they have the stitching to make it look like reversible jean. And they're button flies. I love picking up jeans that have button flies. And then here's the label. So the next thing that I found are these Madewell polka dot dark wash denim. These are high-rise skinny jeans. They're brand new with a tag, and they're size 26. They're super skinny. I'm sure you guys already saw this label. And next, these are Madewell slim fit, straight fit, white jean with red stripes on the side, which I thought that they were really nice. And these are also brand new with the tag. I got so lucky finding so many jeans today. With the label. Now I found this black high-rise gel deep cut straight leg crop. It has the name on the back of this label. And they have some fried hem on the bottom and a little bit of satin too. And these are actually stretchy, so they're called jegging, and it's by Halston. Here is the brand. So the last thing that I found are these Reformation light wash skinny jeans. I'm pretty sure they're high rise as well. These are size 24. And the style name is high and skinny jean. And there's the label. So yeah, that was all that I had for today's haul. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!